Page 64, Unit 27, Beautiful Nature.
Hello. Let's take a walk in beautiful nature. 1. What's this?
It's a bush.
2.
It's a cave.
3.
It's a cloud.
4.
It's a field.
5.
It's a flower.
6.
It's a forest.
7.
It's a lake.
8.
It's a mountain.
9.
It's a rainbow.
10.
It's a river.
11.
It's a star.
12.
It's a tree.
13.
It's a valley.
14.
It's a waterfall.
15.
It's the beach.
16.
It's the moon.
17.
It's the sea.
18.
It's the sky.
19.
It's the sun.
Well done. Goodbye.